AZ wow. Learn, discover, amaze. What if every letter of the alphabet could open a door to a fascinating discovery? From the mysteries of space to the secrets of time, science, technology, and our planet. Here are 26 facts that turn ordinary learning into extraordinary curiosity. A. Air. We cannot see air, but every breath we take is possible because of it. Earth's atmosphere is also what protects life from many dangers coming from space. B. Black hole. A black hole has gravity so powerful that once something crosses its event horizon, even light cannot escape. See calendar. A year is not exactly 365 days. Earth takes approximately 365, 2,422 days to complete one journey around the sun, which is why we need leap years. DNA. DNA contains the biological instructions that help build and operate living organisms. It is like an incredibly detailed instruction manual inside our cells. Earth. Earth is not standing still. It rotates on its axis, travels around the sun, and the entire solar system moves through the Milky Way. Fire. Fire is not a substance like water or stone. It is the visible result of a chemical reaction involving fuel, oxygen, and heat. Gravity. Gravity is the invisible force that keeps our feet on the ground, holds the moon around Earth, and keeps planets in orbit around the Sunday. Human brain. The human brain contains billions of neurons connected through an extraordinary network. It allows us to think, remember, imagine, learn, and solve problems. Internet. The internet may feel invisible, but huge amounts of information travel through real physical infrastructure, including enormous cables running beneath oceans. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Its volume is so enormous that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Knowledge. Knowledge grows differently from many things we own. When you share knowledge, you do not lose it. You can help someone else learn and create even more knowledge. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. When you look at the sun, you are seeing it as it was more than 8 minutes ago. Moon. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth at roughly 3.8 centimeters per year. This tiny change has been happening for a very long time. Number 00 completely transformed mathematics. It made place value systems more powerful and became essential to modern science, mathematics, and computing. Ocean. The oceans cover most of Earth's surface, yet large parts of the deep ocean remain difficult to explore and are still not fully understood. Planet's Earth is not the only planet in the universe. Scientists have discovered thousands of planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system. Quantum. At the smallest scales of nature, particles can behave in ways that seem completely different from the everyday world we experience. Rainbow. A rainbow is actually part of a full circle. From the ground, we usually see only the section that appears above the horizon. Space. Space is extremely quiet because sound needs a medium such as air, water, or another material to travel through. Time is not completely universal. According to Einstein's theories, speed and gravity can affect how quickly time passes relative to another observer. Universe. The observable universe contains an enormous number of galaxies, and each galaxy can contain billions of stars. Volcano. Volcanoes can destroy landscapes, but they can also create new land. Some islands on Earth were formed through volcanic activity. Water. The water we drink today has been part of Earth's natural water cycle for an incredibly long time. Water continuously moves between oceans, clouds, land, plants, and living organisms. X-ray. X-rays can pass through many soft tissues but are absorbed more strongly by denser materials such as bone. This makes them extremely useful in medicine. Y. A year is the time required for a planet to complete one orbit around its star. That is why a year on Earth is very different from a year on another planet. Zero gravity astronauts in orbit are not actually outside Earth's gravity. They appear weightless because they and their spacecraft are continuously falling around Earth. The real lesson learning is not about memorizing hundreds of facts. It is about developing the habit of asking one simple question: why? Every question leads to another discovery, and every discovery makes the world a little more interesting. 26 letters, 26 discoveries. One curious mind can explore an entire universe. If you enjoyed this A to Z journey, subscribe to Stories Vest for more fascinating facts, inspiring stories, and knowledge designed to make learning exciting.